Hi angels, today I'm doing another super chill pumping session with you guys, so get comfy and let's do this together. Here's the manual pump I'm using today. I always like checking that everything feels positioned comfortably before I start. It honestly makes such a difference. And this little pump is so easy to use once you get the hang of it. For one side, I usually start really softly and slowly at first. I don't rush the process because my body responds way better when I stay relaxed. After the first minute, I make the rhythm a little more steady and consistent. If something feels uncomfortable, I just pause for a second and adjust the pressure a bit. One thing that helps me a lot is sitting comfortably and keeping my shoulders relaxed instead of leaning forward too much. I also try to stay hydrated during the day because I genuinely notice a difference when I do. After a few more minutes, the flow usually slows down naturally, and that's when I finish on this side. And now, here's the milk in the bottle. It always feels rewarding seeing everything come together after a calm session like this. Thank you for hanging out with me today, cuties. I hope this video made your day feel a little softer and more comforting. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Pumping session with me today, and if you want more private content, link in my bio. This is the manual pump I'm using right now. Super easy to use, comfortable, and honestly one of my favorite little essentials. I place the flange securely and make sure everything feels centered correctly. Comfort is literally everything for a good pumping session. I always start with quick and light pumps first to stimulate letdown. Just soft little squeezes for the first minute or two. Once the milk starts flowing better, I switch to slower and deeper pumps with a steady rhythm. I like keeping a consistent pace and letting my body relax naturally instead of rushing. Sometimes slower actually works way better, not gonna lie. You can already see the milk collecting here. This part is honestly so satisfying every single time. I continue pumping until the flow slows down and everything feels softer and lighter. That's usually my sign that this side is done. And here's the milk after the session. Such a good amount today. Hey, thanks for spending time with me. Babes, see you in the next video.